Hey guys, it's Aaliyah. So today's tutorial is brought to you by SimCosplay. I partnered with them to turn their CW Batwoman Season 1 suit into the new Season 2 suit. If you watch the show, you know that Ruby Rose was recently recast because she left the show. This is her first suit, and she was been recast as Javicia Leslie, and this is the new suit. Not very many differences. SimCosplay suit comes with pretty much everything you need to become Batwoman. It comes with the gloves, gauntlets that are black and red. I'll be changing those in the future. It also comes with the belt, jumpsuit, cape, and mask. So I tried on the suit by itself, please ignore my hair, and I got a size 2XL because I knew I would need to size up for the arms, but I thought it was going to be too tight and actually fit after stretching it out for a bit. As you can see with this cape, it's got the red flex sort of effect that the Season 1 cape has, and the Season 2 cape is pretty much red solidly from the bottom up to make an ombre effect, so I'll be changing that. Trying on the gauntlets, they're a little too big, so I'll need to change that as well as add the little shark fins, so let's get started. We're going to start with the cape, changing these red flecks into something solid. I used Jacquard textile paint. It's basically the best fabric paint out there, like the best, so definitely recommend it. And basically I just got to work painting from bottom to top. I ended up doing 2 layers after letting the first layer dry, and the second layer I actually extended how far the red paint went, and it actually gave it that ombre effect that the Season 2 cape has. Okay, on to the gauntlets. So the gauntlets are red and black stripe, but the new gauntlets are solid red, so I used the same Jacquard textile paint. I actually use this on a lot of things for this project. A little fabric paint can go a long way, and I didn't need to paint every single stripe because I will be making these smaller, which is why there are 4 stripes left off at the end, even though I ended up having to paint over 2 more. So we're on to the belt and the gauntlets. So I forgot to record this part, but I basically used craft foam to just cut out these little shark fin shapes and a little bat symbol. I used Mod Podge to seal the foam to prepare for painting. Here it is. It looks a little weird. And then I used just plain old red acrylic paint to do 2 layers on each of these pieces, both sides, and then I used the Jacquard paint to do a top layer so that the color would match everything else. I found this video on Javicia Leslie's Instagram account. I took a screenshot to see what boots she was wearing. Basically combat boots, right? So I got some hiking boots off Amazon. They're actually really comfortable. And I was like, perfect. But then I re-looked at it and saw that there was actually some red details on the boots. So I took that good old Jacquard textile paint again and just drew little strips of red down the sides of the boot. It was super simple, super easy, done. Now for the wig, I already had a really curly wig I could use, so I basically bought some cheap red clip-in hair extensions from Amazon and wrapped them around these curlers, and all you do is throw them in a pot of boiling water and boom, once it dries you can uncurl it and clip it anywhere in the wig. So there you have it. You have successfully turned your Season 1 Batwoman suit into the Season 2 suit. It's not 100% the same as the new suit, but it's pretty close as far as DIY projects go. We're ready to save the day and do some superhero stuff. Thank you again to SimCosplay for sponsoring this tutorial. Head to their website to get your own Season 1 suit and transform it in your own way to become the new Batwoman. Bye!